There are lots of tips for what to do when trying to conceive, but what shouldn't you do? Here it is in 2 minutes. Number 1, don't have sex every day. There is no evidence that this will help you get pregnant, and it is stressful. Most couples don't have sex every day. Trying to do this if it isn't natural for you will cause stress and anxiety. Number 2, don't drink alcohol. Many studies have linked alcohol use to difficulty trying to conceive. Number 3, if your periods are very regular every month, don't buy an ovulation predictor test. Have intercourse 1 to 2 times around the middle of your cycle. This will work just as well. Watch this for more information. Number 4, don't take herbal supplements. Recent warnings from the FDA have found that some widely used supplements can cause infertility and miscarriage. This includes herbal supplements that are marketed as fertility supplements. Don't do it. Number 5, don't smoke. You've heard me say this before. If you are already a smoker, then stop. Number 6, don't use fertility apps on your phone to predict your fertile time. Studies have shown that they are often inaccurate. Watch this for more information. Number 7, don't use temperature charts to time intercourse. You can do this once or twice to make sure you ovulate, but that's it. Remember, your temperature doesn't go up until after you ovulate. If you wait until then, it's too late and your chances for pregnancy will be low. Number 8, if you are going to use a urine ovulation predictor test, don't buy an expensive electronic one. They don't work any better than the inexpensive versions. Number 9, give up the caffeine. I know, this is the hardest one. Caffeine use has been associated with taking longer time to conceive. Even moderate amounts of caffeine have been shown to have an impact, so don't mess around. Get that Java monkey off your back. Number 10, don't miss this playlist with detailed tips for when you are trying to conceive. But before you go, be sure to like this video. If you have questions or an idea for a future episode, leave it in the comments. And you should definitely subscribe to Infertility TV right now for new episodes weekly. It's like having a fertility specialist in your phone.